Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to talk about celebrating your small wins because they matter. You could check out the article on my Substack in the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and send me a gift because your support keeps these videos flowing and growing. So I do appreciate you all. Now, let's get into it. There's nothing more encouraging than experiencing progress. Ask any artist, and they'll surely say that the number one motivator in the game is progress. It's a secret sauce that makes us grow. And when you progress in your creative practice, you're likely to continue in it. But when you don't see growth, you'll be tempted to quit. And this is why it's so important to not only track your progress, but also celebrate it every opportunity you get. Let's face it, you, me, we're all going to suffer setbacks. There's no getting around it. Sometimes failure is suffocating, and our egos aren't built for that type of pressure. And such encounters can be devastating to our identities as artists. But here's what we should understand about these brushes with failure. The problem isn't failing. The problem is neglecting to acknowledge our wins, even the tiny ones. Now, usually our victories are going to feel small. So small, you may be embarrassed to even mention them. But don't take those baby steps for granted. Make a big deal about them. Every small win, even if they dwarf in comparison to your losses. Throw yourself a party, pat yourself on the back, and boast on your achievement. And here's why. Every victory you experience is a series of small wins. You don't cross a finish line in one step. You don't score a touchdown with 100-yard leap. The Indy 500 is not completed in one lap. Your accomplishments are the result of your daily decisions and habits and practices that pushes you to victory. Things like starting a painting when you're feeling uninspired, sitting down to write when you have nothing meaningful to say, making a phone call to pitch your offer after being rejected 100 times. It's doing the hard and boring stuff consistently without fanfare or external reward. This is winning. When you can stick with the work and do what you love when no one is watching or cheering you on, that's winning. It's knowing in your gut that you will get better on the next try. It's the continual effort of moving forward without giving up or bowing to defeat. This is what you must celebrate. And when you do, your conscience will remember and your faith will reward you. Take the time to acknowledge you are doing what is transforming you into who you hope to be. Remember, we live in a world where so many people fear the new version of themselves. The fear is a lie, and it's working under the guise of self-preservation. It uses your failures to get you to quit making you feel safe with the old version of you. But what if you did something radically different? What if each time you failed, you celebrated? Not that you failed at your skill or craft, but rather you learned what's not working. Instead of looking at your experience through the lens of defeat, look at it through the lens of gaining experience. That's a win. You need to celebrate such defeats because your body is learning what it means to fall. That is a good thing. Because when you fall, your body learns how it feels so that when it happens again, you're able to get back on your feet quickly. Now, here's what you can do moving forward. Start viewing your failures as lessons. Instead of meditating on the pain or discomfort from the mistake, focus on what you learned from it. It may be something simple like your movement, pacing, form, or even timing. The idea is to focus on what actually went wrong, not how you feel. This mindset shift will work with anything from a sales pitch to throwing a football. Another thing you want to do is isolate the failure. Disconnect the failure from your persona. Remember, failure is a process, not you. It's an event, not a personality trait. When you happen to fail, that doesn't make you a failure. If you stick with it, you are winning because you are teaching your mind and body how to be resilient. Now, this final point is important, so pay close attention. Make sure you are using affirming language when it comes to your creative practice. Never say that you are not good at something. Instead, say, I'm not good yet. Or even better, I am getting better at this every time I try. The way you talk to yourself will encourage your daily wins. It will help you see your progress despite your defeats. Now, I'm not saying to ignore issues within your practice that may be difficult. I'm telling you to frame those problems in a way that will help you see the solutions to fix them. Imagine if you can see a win even when all the odds are against you. Imagine having hope that there is no sign of hope, but you push through anyway. This is the mindset of champions who have come back from insurmountable setbacks and overcame impossible odds. We all have that spark within us to achieve and to do something great, and it will happen instantly when you recognize the opportunity before you. You can do anything when you put your heart and soul on the line and risk the awkwardness and pain of failure. You must be willing to take the risk. And so what if you fail? Not everyone is willing to take that chance, but you're different. And because you're willing to be different, you are already in an elite class. I hope this video helped somebody. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Get out there, create something, and celebrate your wins because they matter.